guys, I'm making Minecraft videos. I made my first Minecraft video and Roblox videos are all. I am kind of cracked at Red Bull, so I'm trying to do it fast. I made this video like 50 billion times. It's keep on resetting some reason. Okay, I'm also making 10 stickman. Somebody, it's my most viewed video. I won't like my 10 stickman videos, and I watch YouTube videos when I was a kid. I want to be a one. I'm thinking I'm gonna grow up and be rich and be a kind person and be a YouTuber and a scientist. Okay, bye bye guys.
তুমি যাবা কিনা সেটা তোমার ডিসিশন, আমার কিছু ডিসিশন নাই।